here is how you can silence one contact on your Android. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one. So you can open up your contacts app of your choice. Let's say you're using this one, but you can get inside your specific person that you want to silence. You tap on it like this and go to the edit mode. And in here, you have the ability to manage the information about their phone number, address, and so on. But as you can see, we also have the ability to manage the ringtones, right? So that's the important part because you can tap on that like this and actually manage it this way. So you can tap on the contact ringtone and you now have the ability to go through either the built-in sound picker in my case or even a third-party app for ringtones, but I'm going to go through the built-in one, and you can see that I have the ability to pick the silent ringtone, right? So by default, it's going to pick the default one, the ringtone, which is attached to every other incoming call, but I can specifically choose a silent call or silent ringtone to be part of this contact. So that's great and really interesting because it doesn't matter if the phone is generally in the silent mode or however you have it. As long as this person is calling you, it's going to be silent. So that's very interesting. That's the stuff that you probably had in mind. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. I really hope that I was able to show you. One more thing though, on my device, I actually have two contacts applications. So there's one made by Samsung and the other is by Google. And me personally, I like to go through the Google one because you could see the options I had in here. Those are simply not present in the Samsung contacts. So that's something that I kind of noticed and I just wanted to let you know about. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the future uploads.